Hi there, my name is Jean-Marc. I'm a qualified draftsman and a registered AutoCAD and Revit user since 2015. The primary reason for me getting work through this website is going to be through AutoCAD because it is a much easier license to get a hold of, and it's also much easier to get things done independently. That being said, I won't be opposed to a bigger company taking me on with a bigger budget for software because in 2023 to 2024, I was subcontracted as a design draftsman for a bank called Nedbank, and they had the resources to get the software, and I was part of a small BIM technician team, and in that year we managed to do 400 Nedbank branches nationwide. Sorry to interrupt. That figure was at the time of inquiry, and I was involved directly with 120 of those branches. So involved meaning from tender to construction to as built. So from proposal to building and then finished. So that was, if you could put it to a number, I was involved with 12 square kilometers worth of branches, and the total was 40 square kilometers worth of branches. That job for Nedbank was hybrid, so I am used to working remotely, but I really must emphasize that advertising my AutoCAD services because, as I said, I have the AutoCAD license and I do have a powerful enough PC, desktop PC to run AutoCAD 2025 and beyond. That's 3D, all of that stuff, and I'm pretty sure it can handle the latest Revit software. But AutoCAD mainly because I have the resources on me to get the job done quickly. In my past freelance AutoCAD drafting work, I've done mainly electrical, architectural, and structural, but I'm open to anything else. Thank you very much, and I look forward to hearing back from you. Thank you.